Good power hour. Let's freaking get our things together here. It's a Tuesday. I implore everybody to go watch Coach and I, what we talked about this morning. Actually, I would implore everybody, being Tuesday, to go what we talked about the last couple of days. All right. Always something to do. Let's go. Bottom line is, let's go to the main page. Option sweepers are prevalent with this seemingly going to be assumingly low volatility week. As I share my main screen, Apple looks like the one. What did I just see breaking high here for a second? Microsoft. There you go, Microsoft now looks worse the first. NVIDIA on the flip side. Now, just like Coach said this morning, NVIDIA could well go. Matter of fact, I think I even said more than likely. Make sure I'm on the right chart. Move my freaking ginger ale here. NVIDIA could go to 100, 110, whatever Coach said, lower if it is. And Apple could break a new high easily. As a matter of fact, I would welcome it more likely than not. Main page. What are we doing here? Shopify looks good. I'm in Shopify. Let them stop me out on that one. Banks ready for more. Banks ready for more. FAS. Although everybody's in triple ETFs, I don't like that. GameStop. Now it's in the middle of the range. Everybody's crowded in it. It maybe have more left. I wouldn't be looking for this to pop, another $10 and saying, hello, Kitty took a position. I don't even think anybody cares. I really don't. At the winners in the morning, how's this SHAI doing? Came all the way back. No, actually, you know what? Could go. Don't like really when stocks. I mean, it is. You know what? This would one of the ones where I wouldn't mind a trade turning into an investment. It's above the moving averages. It's not like it's jerk. It's actually clean in some degree until it has its day, but it's not for me. All right, QNTM. That was the one early. This was the one at the stock of the day. QMCO, high of 33, low of 14. Obviously, a quantum stock. Quantum computing goes with the other quantum stocks in the back right-hand corner. All right, coins to heavy. All right, that needs rest. MSTR. What else do we have here? What's going on? Although the Dow is breaking higher, CMG wants more, doesn't it? Doesn't Bros want more? Bros wants more. Brothers. Starbucks. Walmart wants higher. Doesn't? Dollar Tree. Let's see what the other ones, these retailers. This Dollar Tree, that's a weekly. Dollar Tree looks better maybe than the daily now. AAP. You look for the days the retailers act okay, because today was supposed to be the big retailing day. A&F, the perfect example. Here's Abercrombie's range this morning, and this is heavy volume. This isn't like Mike V's 4:30 in the morning trying, when it trades, 83,000 shares. This is A&F having a range of 160 to 140, give or take $1 or $2. You get the picture. Came back to the moving average, is up to you, but that's still holding. Look at the other one, AEO. Nothing. The ones that are holding are CMG, if you want to call them one. Eat. They are restaurants, if you will. Shack was actually pretty good. Shack K was looking good right when I came on here. Kohl's. Bottom fished it. Didn't say it's a turnaround store. I think I sold it at the freaking high. Kohl's. Sold 8,000 Kohl's. At 15, probably 60 is my price. 8,000 Kohl's. Bought it like at 50. All right. APLT, I told you, I'm still in. If you saw that one on my screen. Okay, let me see if I have any people watching. I usually do, but if I have any questions. Toyo. This one was on my list early this morning, this Toyo. Toyo Co. I just don't feel the low. Actually, you know what? It could feel the low. This needs to continue. It doesn't look bad. They're just like PYDN, the one I had collared. There it is. I made like 80,000 and I didn't even know the symbol. That's okay. Price action, volume, cash. Shop is the one. Shopify, I believe, is the one. What I'll do here is I'll buy 800 more. You know what? I'll buy 400 Shopify. What's breaking high on the left? Microsoft. Microsoft breaking high. Mag, if you're upset that for some reason why, you know, IONQ is up, like Twilo or AI are down, you should know why. AAOI is down. Goldman Sachs, ABBV in the fund breaking higher. Look at this one. I actually sold some this morning. AB, Goldman's breaking higher. Best one, SYF. This stock should be bought. SYF in a more aggressive manner. Flows all freaking. Like a Lionel Messi getting the water break. Oh, okay. Let's go to calls. Let's see what I look at. Fuck it. Right. All right. Let's take calls. CRC. Dell has earnings. CRC. I like that. So Google, ARDX, anything. You know what they're doing a lot of? Hate to say it. It is what it is. Carnival. You look at Carnival, then you look at this dog. Besides NCLH, AAL. I'm not, you know what I mean? I want to. You know, I don't feel it. I don't feel it. PCT. I could feel this one popping up all over the place just now. They dragged me in. I said I don't feel it. Well, I see a question, Lewis. When are the low floaters done? I'm going to tell you exactly. I have an answer for you because I liked it today. You could probably answer this. Here it is. This is one of the smartest guys out there actually said it too. Here it is. When the dogs start barking, it's time to take some money off the table. And the answer is this. GME is giving most of it back. They're going into quality. See, when they go back into quality, I think somebody's going to be more nervous now that they don't own Apple. By the way, the low flow trader is, if these low flow traders, probably sharp enough to get some Apple calls and pivot. So low flow traders, they go into Apple. So who's going to be afraid to say that Apple's the better trade right now that looks like a low floater? And if it doesn't work, which would you rather stuck with? That's what it says to me. Like, for example, AAOI. What's wrong with this freaking thing? AAOI should be up today. Good question. This PCT looks good. Good question, Lewis. That's part of the reason. And you also go to this. Very simple. It's how big the list is. It's not how the big list is, it's how you use the list. Percent gainers intraday. The list is getting smaller and smaller with volume. Percent losers in 60 minutes should be an airline. Sava, Coles. Sav is back down 3. Aklo, all these, I'll tell you, they went from, now they look heavy. Where's this thing? Oh, here it is. Share screen. Now these uranium stocks look heavy. Aklo, NNE, SMAR, CCJ, best of breed's probably acting better now. It always does that. I knew that. Here's the screen. What are you going to do? Ghost. BE. Zillow. UAL. You see this UAL? I'm short. Yeah, I'll show you. UAL, by the way, this is top. UAL this morning. That I hope I'm on the right chart. I have 6,000, 7,000 shares short. UAL this morning was basically 102. Now it's 97, $5 pullback. I'm in it. I'm actually here to cover some. I was down a lot of money in this thing. Now I'm actually almost up in it. UAL was Delta. You know what? The CCL calls, I don't trust that. That's a hedge. I don't like that. RCL. No. Let's look at the other. The first one is ALK Airlines, topper today. Crude bounces tomorrow. Chevron. Here are the stocks going up. Is it 316 top left hand corner? Lewis, if maybe remind me, we'll do a video on low float stocks. Have a list of like freaking 4 or 5 of them. We'll go over the trades. We'll learn it together. Morgan Stanley breaking higher. XCUR. Hottest stock on the board last night. XCUR. For those traders, that's a stock that's in play. Price volume breaks a new high. What are you going to do? Trade it, actually 400,000 shares. No good. Roblox, Shop. I'm in that. Did I buy my Shop? Yeah, I did. Toast, PayPal, Square. It's over. CLH gave it all back to the lowest floaters. They wrote it up from 25 to 30. Bravo. Now it's back down to 26. There's nothing really I'm interested in bottom fishing. Reddit. All of a sudden, you turned around. It seems like yesterday morning I was doing a video on Reddit at 160. It's 135. I'm telling you, the shorts NVIDIA. I'm feeling it. Shorts NVIDIA, biotechs and banks looking good. Chevron, don't like it. Rocket Labs, not going to fall for it. United Airlines going negative. All right, China. Well, what do you want me to do? That could be a rounding bottom. I don't know. There's only one China stock I'm long, and I announced it in the room. It's not Bob. I'm going to leave off here. I'm going too far for power hour. APLT. I'm in that nicely. And this is it. Hold on. In the room. I freaking posted. Didn't post much. Anyway, it's YMM. This is the stock I'm on. Bull Truck Alliance Company. You might know it. Weekly. You know what I mean? Oh God, this is another one they're going into. This is besides uranium and Bitcoin, everything that to go into these two taxi stocks right here. ACHR and Joby. That's it. These are the two ones. These are the new now stocks. And by the way, for those that don't believe, I know you do. I'm just being exaggerated. Right here. Another round of sweeper activity in ACHR. December. Buying on the dip. ACR. Most selling in the semis. Program buying in the fins. Financials. I'm here to tell you. Mike V. Thanks for tuning in. It's all about the close.